Discord's great if you want to build or join a community of like-minded people. There are servers for pretty much everything nowadays, and most of the time everyone is cool with each other. But there are times when you'd be better off never hearing from another user. Luckily, Discord has been improving and giving us more choices when it comes to privacy settings. In this video, we'll take a look at how to block direct messages from server members who aren't your friends altogether, and then how to block just specific users. And in this example, we'll be doing it using the Discord desktop app. First, let's turn off all direct messages from random users on a whole server. Remember, this will only affect users who aren't on your friends list. You can get to the privacy settings two ways. You can either right-click on the server in the right bar, and then choose privacy settings, or by choosing the server and then on the top hitting the drop down to the right of the server name and choosing it there. To turn off all random messages, just hit the slider here next to direct messages at the top to turn it off. Now, if the person isn't in your friends list, then they won't be able to direct message you. You could filter it out if you want with message request by keeping direct messages turned on and then enabling message request here. Next, let's block a specific user. To block someone who's already in your DMs, just head to the direct messages area and find the user in the list. You again have two ways to block them. The first and the quickest, just right-click on their name and then choose block from the menu. You can then confirm it, and when you do, it'll block them from messaging you and remove them from your friends list if they were there before. The other way to block them, or if you're searching for a specific user, is to pull up their profile. You can do this by choosing the user in the list and then hitting their name at the top. It'll then bring up their profile. To block them now, just hit the three dots next to their name and then choose block. It'll then automatically block that user. There are a couple more options that we can look at that are inside of our user privacy and safety settings. These aren't as much as blocking, but more filtering. You can get to your user settings by clicking your name at the bottom and then choosing Edit Profile here at the top. Once you're here, choose Privacy and Safety from the menu on the left. At the top, you can then set a catch-all filter for message content. If you want the filter to be strong and scan all messages, choose Keep Me Safe. You also have the option to scan only non-friend users or not to scan at all. Next under that, you can set the Allow Direct Message option to all servers that you belong to like we looked at earlier. If you want to apply it to everything, just turn it off here and then choose to apply it to all servers. And the same with the Message Request option below. One thing to note though, this defaults to new servers that you join. Just something to remember if you already belong to a bunch of servers. And finally, as a bonus, we'll look at who can send you friend requests. To change this setting, choose Friend Request from the left menu. You'll then have the options as to who can send you requests. The default is everyone, but you can narrow it down by only friends of friends or members of servers that you belong to. And that's how you block users and change your privacy settings on Discord.